What's up, Muscle and Strength? IFBB Pro Kahn here. I'm here with Savoie. He's about 10 weeks out from the Olympia, and we're gonna go through a chest and bicep workout. So he's gonna be showing me some of the things that he likes to do. We're gonna mix in some of the stuff that I do through my prep, and we hope you all like it and enjoy this video.
Usually I stick to a lot of incline, like Brett was saying, to the top shelf area to keep that nice and full on stage, because that's normally the thing, for me at least, unless you have crazy good genetics, is the first thing to actually deplete the most at first. So when you're on stage, you want to keep that nice and full.
On to our second exercise here, and you can see, we kind of varied it from what we originally thought. Chase is really throwing around some weight there. I think his last set he was up to like 275, for a mid-rep range, which is awesome. So we're gonna switch up the tempo a little bit. We're actually gonna do an incline fly. The focus here is gonna be staying wide, not too much bend in the elbow, just a slight bend in the elbow. We're gonna do about 7 to 8 reps at about 45 degrees, and then I'm gonna sit up. Chase is gonna drop it just one notch. That's gonna take us to about 30 degrees. We're gonna do another 7 to 8 reps. So it's gonna end up being somewhere between like 14 to 16 reps, and that's gonna be one set right there. Another little key I like here is I try to keep my shoulder blades pinched together, and what that does is it allows me to keep the tension on the chest and not bring in too much anterior delt. So sometimes I'll overbuild my shoulders. So I got a couple assisted reps there. That's exactly what I wanted. I should have a little more endurance when I get to a lower incline. Same thing. Get what I can on my own. Whew. At this point, I'm feeling it. So I may only get a few. 3. 2. One more. One more. Come on. Good. A big part of this exercise too is going to be the negative, okay? So as he descends, he's going to descend slowly. It's putting the muscle on stretch, and really it's one of the best ways to cause a little bit of micro trauma, which is what? Break down a muscle. Break down a muscle is how we build bigger muscle, stronger muscle. Here we go. That's it. Push through. I got the O coming. I personally like a light spot from either the elbow or the forearm. So you don't want to ever kind of overpower somebody on these, because their arm can get a little bit weak. They don't know where they are in space, and you don't want them to fatigue while they're at the top. So. Good, down slow. All right, drop. This is gonna be the last of our chest exercises, and then we're gonna move into some bicep exercises. We're gonna use the cables, bring it in. We're not gonna interlock the hands or anything. We're just gonna have an isometric contraction towards the middle, and we're gonna press up and in. started to fail there and I couldn't keep the hands together anymore. So I just modified it a little bit. Since it's difficult to spot someone on this one, I just let the hands calm down, used a little momentum, and busted out a couple extra reps. That's it. There you go. Press. Good boy. Come on. Come on.
All right guys, so we're done with chest today. Now we're gonna move on to biceps. I saw this machine earlier and it looked pretty cool, so we'll give it a try today.
He's sitting down low enough so that his arm is gonna be flat, his elbow is gonna be flat, and then he's really gonna just bend and articulate at the elbow. Make sure he's getting a full contraction at the top, and then a nice slow negative down. He'll come just almost to the point of locking the elbow out, but he's not gonna let his elbow hyperextend at all. There you go, good. Up. Kind of hear Chase counting through these. He's going to count right, left, that's 1 rep. If you ever see this exercise and it's listed somewhere and it says 10 reps, it's not 10 total reps. That's 1 each arm is 1 rep. There you go. Nice. Push it. Good. Okay. I'm going to hop in, do the same thing. See me cheat there a little bit at the end. That's just so I can finish up the reps. And that's actually gonna finish up our workout. So it was great to train with you, my man. Always have someone push you. Look for Chase in 2016 Olympia. That's gonna be his next show. We expect big things out of him. Follow his workout. The guy knows what he's talking about.